Okay, so let's try to create a diagram quickly. Let me write the prompt here. Create a diagram for a web app that takes list of emails in a CSV, subject, email body, and sends that email to each email address in the CSV. Let's click generate and let's see what it does, and if it is good enough, we will make some changes so that this is a more complete web application. And by the end, I'll give you the link to this and show you how you can create this without signing up or logging in. So here we have the flowchart. It's quite simple. Start web app, upload email CSV, enter email subject, email body, send email to each address, email successfully sent. This is a very linear flow. Let's make some change in it so that this is a bit more complex diagram. So let's say if email is not sent successfully, retry sending it. If email is sent successfully, delete that email from the CSV. Let's click generate again. So I just did this because I want to see how it looks with some if-else conditions and some branching, and this looks pretty good. So here we have process email list, more emails to send, yes and no. If email is sent successfully, then delete from CSV, no, send to current email address. So this looks pretty good, and you can just right click on this and click on save image as, or just click on download to download this flowchart. So I'm using NoteGPT's diagram creator. From here, I've selected flowchart. If you want, you can just click here and choose a lot of different diagrams. So if you're a programmer, database designer, you can use ERD diagram, there's state diagram, there's class diagram, there's sequence diagram, and so on. So there are a lot of other diagrams that you can use, and all for free without logging in or without signing up. That is the best part. You can just go ahead, enter your prompt, get the flowchart or the diagram, and just continue your work without logging in or signing up. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.